Hey everyone, welcome back to Denise Dives In. Today I will be diving into a housewarming gift. My mom is going to be moving, and while it's not her first house she's ever purchased, this is going to be a different moving style for her. And I wanted to make sure that she had the essentials when she got to her new house. And we both love cleaning, and a lot of it's cleaning supplies, but maybe this will help you get an idea for if you wanted to get a housewarming gift for someone. So let's get right into it. First things first, I did order most of this stuff from Grove Collaborative. I love Grove Collaborative. I think it's a really cool site. I think that they offer really environmentally friendly products, and I use a lot of their products myself. So I roughly spent about $41 on this in total, but basket and everything included. And some stuff got a little bit messed up, so it's not an exact total, but this is under $41 for sure. First things first, I got her favorite Kleenexes, so that was ready to go because moving and dust and everything. Yeah, who doesn't need a Kleenex box? And then I also got her the Mrs. Meyer's hand soap in the lavender scent. I love these. I have one at every single sink in my house. And then I got her two of these because she has two bathrooms. This is my favorite toilet cleaner. I love the way it smells. It's amazing. And then now she has one for under each toilet, so she has two. Then I tested this out. That's why it's not completely full, and I already told her that I was going to give her something that I used and tried already, but this is the room freshener spray. It smells good, but I don't like the smell of it. The smell is honeysuckle, and she already bought a multi-purpose cleaner in that smell, so and then we have this. These are my favorite pens. You can see me use them in my budget video. Her favorite color is purple. I actually picked this notepad up at Walgreens. It was in their like back to school section. It has a magnet on it, and I think it was under $1. And she likes writing notes and stuff like that, and I like that it could go on your fridge. And I gave her one of my favorite pens from a new pack that I just got. And so there's that. Then I love these sponges. They're from Grove Collaborative. I got like two packs, so I got one for me too, but I love these. So that's that. And then I purchased this exact dish soap. I like this smell a lot, and I wanted her to have the same one. I help her out a lot because she watches my son a lot, so I do dishes a lot. And I was like, well, let's have a soap that I like the smell of too. And then I got her this candle. This is in the basil smell. I like this smell a lot. This smells super good. But it's a soy candle. It's supposed to last for a long time. So that's cool to get some nice smelling smells in your new house. Then I got her these because she loves these, I guess. I don't like Pledge necessarily. I like my multi-purpose spray, but she's always raving about these, so I decided to get her two of those. And then I also got her the all-purpose spray in the Mrs. Meyer's collection in the lemon verbena scent. I smell this. It smells pretty good. Right now I am on the mum scent that they brought out for fall. Oh my god, you guys, it's so good. Like, I just keep wiping down my counter so I can smell it. And then this is the last thing. This is Sweetwater in the Method hand soap. So I thought basically she could have like one in her bathroom and one in the other bathroom or something, or one in the kitchen. And then I just got this little basket because she has like all of this new closet space and stuff. And I just thought that when she's done emptying all of this stuff out, that would be a cute, like, I didn't want to just like put it in a bag or like put it in a box. I wanted to make sure that it was in something that she could use after she basically put all this stuff away in her new house. Yeah, I really enjoyed filming this for you guys. If you liked this content and want me to do more stuff like this, I love buying gifts, and I don't have a lot of friends and family, but when there is something I can buy a gift for, you know I'm gonna buy it. So let me know down below if you like this video, or if you have any feedback or have any questions about anything. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.